Hi guys, I'll show you today the difference between an inexpensive Draper cordless drill and a more expensive Makita drill. I bought this one first, the Draper, because my previous no-name cordless drill broke. That no-name cordless drill was very good. So I thought maybe no-name can be good, you know. So I bought this one, Draper. It's just awful. You know, it looks like the real thing, but the plastic is, you know, you can feel that the plastic is cheap. It's even, I don't know, pointy, sharpy, whatever, and it looks cheap. It does cheap. I'll tell you now the pros and cons, if there can be any pros here. So cheap batteries, you can have two of them. Too bad that this is a nickel metal battery. It's just 1.3 amperes, and Makita, even if it's just a bit smaller, it has 3 amperes, so more than double in the same battery. So you're carrying two of these heavy batteries and doing less than you do with Makita. Then this one doesn't have, the battery doesn't have a power indicator, a charging indicator. Makita does have one, so it's a big difference. Then on Makita you have adjustment of power and speed. This one, I think, I'm not sure how it's called. You don't have it on the Draper. Then the Draper just has this clutch here that regulates, adjusts how strong it will tighten the screws before slipping. And of course it also has a drill thing here, a drill position, so it doesn't slip, it doesn't fail. While Makita has drill, screw, and also hammer action. Then this one Makita has 21 positions. This one only has 15. I'm not sure if that's much of importance, but for whoever uses lots of screws, that might matter. And the next thing, so we have a rotation direction switch here. You have it here also. It's much harder to change in the Draper. It really feels like something's stuck. And the light, this is such a cheap light. It's it's an LED now. I see it's an LED. Anyway, it's really bad. While Makita has 2 of them and very bright. Yeah, it just looks and feels professional, and it just gives different light. Let me see. Yeah, you can tell. Next thing is that the way the motors feel. So this is Makita. It feels strong, it feels professional, it feels metal, you know. While this one feels like a remote control car for children. Interesting. Anyway, About force, this is only good for screwing screws. I couldn't get any hole with it in cement. Also because it doesn't have a hammer action, and the rotation, the maximum rotation is very slow. Let me see. So this is the maximum. This is maximum on 1. You can't compare it. Also the force, as soon as I press the button on the Makita, it just pushes the force, pushes the device in a, from my hand. Like, let's see if it does it now. See? While this one, it has just a bit. This is very powerful, very powerful. So, not much you can do with this one. I sincerely thought about giving it away as a present, but I think people will start cursing me when they try to do something with it. It doesn't work. So I kept it for about a year, and now I'm doing a video and preparing to just give it away to someone that lives far away and is not my friend. Something else, yeah, I told you the batteries are, this is lithium ion and this is nickel metal. It's more than double the capacity. As a conclusion, I can tell you that this just feels like a toy. It's nothing else than a toy. I think I would even think that this is safe for children because it's so weak. It doesn't do much. So thank you again for this, for watching my video. See you next time.